Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey, it's Corey from WiscoMTB here. In today's video, me and Tim are heading to Fitchburg, Wisconsin to check out the Quarry Ridge mountain bike trails. Yeah. Being adjacent to an active rock quarry, you can go ahead and guess that these trails are pretty rocky and sandy. Let's go check them out.
Yeah, sure. Beginner loop.
Is that where we went?
That comes out, sure.
Let's check this out.
We're beginners.
Okay, maybe we're not quite beginners. Some mornings we definitely feel like it though. Me and Tim started riding back when we were around 10 or 11 years old, riding around Janesville, Wisconsin, checking out the Greenbelt trails and the Arboretum trails. That's when our love for mountain biking really took off and hasn't subsided since. Maybe taking a few breaks in between the years to start a family and careers getting in the way, but it's always been there and we always get out to ride whenever we get the chance.
Whoa.
Main loop it is.
Yeah, I hit that first little hump on that wooden feature. I went over it. The second one stopped me dead in my tracks. Ambulance climb. Sounds good to me. Luckily I know one of the paramedics here. If you wipe out, Dave Snow will come scrape you up off the pavement.
If you're into long, rocky climbs, check out the ambulance climb at Quarry Ridge. You're sure to love it.
Oh, you want to try bottoms up? Bottoms up down the tunnel, or?
Let's go bottoms up down the tunnel.
Okay.
See what that's all about.
Once you climb to the top of Quarry Ridge, you'll have a large variety of trails to descend upon. Sandy Bowl right side and bottoms up are both blue trails, and Sandy Bowl left side, drop zone, and beeline are black trails and require a little more experience. The climb up Rewind is quite easy, but ambulance climb is just short of being brutal. You may need an ambulance at the top. Some of the descents are a little short, like Sandy Bowl, but technical, and others are full of flow, like North Woods.
Okay. Rewind.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh.
The namesake here.
It just turned me this way. I didn't want to go this way.
There's that rock right there.
Oh my God, dude.
I know. I don't know what that's about.
I'll tell you what it's about. Die, and more die.
Yeah. I think we're up for that one.
Maybe after a few spotted cows.
You definitely have to be familiar with the trails out here before you just go blindly riding down some unknown trail like Drop Zone, which includes quite substantial drops that could get you in an ambulance ride to a local hospital. Know your ability and stay within your limits. This is a super fun trail system, and the last thing you want to do is end up getting hurt.
We gotta find some downhill trails of ski lifts going back up to the top. Pretty fun place out here, but trails aren't very long. More of a skills course, seems like. A few drops in there that I'm not ready to do yet. This is usually a pretty busy place. This is like the go-to place around Madison, Fitchburg area. Understandably so. Yeah.
Again, this is Corey with WiscoMTB. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this content, hit the like and subscribe button. In addition to the Quarry Ridge Trails, we'll be riding more trails in and around Wisconsin like the Kellermoraine Trails and Pleasant View and Blackhawk Trails in Middleton. We're excited to share our return to mountain biking and hopefully bring a few of you along for the ride.